Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? We are doing tax tips here. Anybody in here? Yeah, so this is definitely I got a message from a young man last night, and he wanted to know, should I even file my tax return? Should I file my tax return? Well, we're gonna have this. We're gonna figure all that out right here. So, hey, what's up, Amal? I'm gonna get some other stuff situated here, and yeah, we're gonna go over basic. We got the new. Let's see. Is this gonna even work? Is this gonna work for us? Is this gonna work for us here? So yeah, I can answer some other tips. I wanted to go through with this tax return. Like, do you have to file a tax return? So we're gonna go over someone's W-4. We pull up. I haven't done a live in a while. I haven't done anything. Can you hear me good? How are you doing today, Amal? Let's see. I'm gonna pull this chat up on another device here. And yeah, hey, we got three up in the room. Three up in the room. Oh, let me turn this volume off here. Okay, sorry. Hey, that sounded decent though. Boy, if don't Miley Cyrus head, DC Youngfly. Okay, I'll Miley Cyrus it. All right, so now and this is kind of dear to my heart because, look, I don't make a lot of money. I have some years, a lot of years I barely got by. You know, there was a lot of years that I just worked, you know, a little bit, and so, little boy, first to like the video. Thanks, Flower. How you doing? How's everybody doing? Thanks for everybody watching this. You know, I don't go live much. I'm just trying to get back in the groove of things, you know, and so that's for different time, different place. Boy, shut up. I'm going live. So, it's my... Hey, Bilal, I'm doing good. How are you doing? So it's my place to talk. Now, a young man sent me this right here. Oh, you can see it pretty decently. Sent me this W-2. And he was like, hey, well, at first he said, I have a small W-2. Do I have to file? I said, no, you might not have to file, but you would want to. You might want to. And so basically there's one thing right there. You see box 1 here. This is a young man's W-2. He emailed it to me. If someone else doesn't know, you could email me and I'll do a video about this too. So now this is a common mistake. Before I started doing tax returns, I might not know about this either. So you see box 1, box 3, and box 5 are all the same. Box 1 is wages, tips, and compensation. And for a smaller W-2, most of those are going to be the same. Most of those boxes are going to be the same, just like in this one. And then boxes 4 and 6 are the amount of Social Security and Medicare that came out of your paycheck. All right, it's 6.2% and 1.45 respectively. But let's not worry about this. Say you're just like, do I have to file a tax return? Should I file a tax return? Well, now, so look, in box 1 you made $11,418, and I know because the smallest standard deduction. Let's go through we're going to go through. This is the second page of the 1040 here. Oh. Second page. second page of 1040. Look at all the standard deduction. They've doubled it this year. So the smallest one is $12,000. I just know from being a seasoned tax preparer, yeah, I'm doing my 8th tax season this year, that if your income, and if that's all you have is a W-2, if your income is less than $12,000, because that's the smallest one, that's the smallest deduction this year. If it's less than $12,000, you're not going to owe any taxes. So you notice in the second box here, they took out $893 of his federal. Now look, there's also on this one, they also took out state taxes, and you might be able to get those back too. You know, all states are different. But I said, oh my God, yes, definitely file your taxes, because you can get, just by looking at this, I know that you're going to get $893 back. So this is the first page of the new 1040. That's what everyone's going to file. It's nice because now you just have one. You just have one form. They used to have a 1040 Easy, 1040A, and a 1040. Now they just have a 1040. So now I don't even know if you were going to mail this in. I don't know if this year with the government shutdown and stuff, they're really behind on a bunch of stuff. I would say what you want to do. I'm sorry, that's why I'm doing this live, because I might have misspoken. Thanks for the question, Neon. You would get back all of your federal withholdings. And I'll show, we'll go over the tax return. You would get all of whatever your federal withholdings are. Also, you could get a earned income credit. I asked this person who emailed me yesterday, dorn954@gmail.com, if you'd like to email me. Yeah, but I asked him, I said, how old are you? And he said 20. And that takes away earned income credit. You can get earned income credit if you're between 25 and 65 and you make a certain wage. Oh, see, this is why I'm doing this live, because I got you got, really good questions, because I can't think like a beginner. But Neon, no, it's that would not be the way to go, to file separately, because let me see. Hey, what's up, Ishmael Bad? Because look, if you file jointly, your standard deduction is going to be $24,000 instead of 12. So if you filed separately, also if you're married and you live together, you can file married filing jointly, or married filing separately. If you're married, and married filing separately, you do not get a bunch of credits. You pay a higher tax on taxable income, and married filing jointly, you pay the lowest tax rate on a set amount of income. IRS likes married people. You had about 13,000 federal withheld. Awesome. We can do. I can do yours in a little bit. Just ballpark it out here. So I'm gonna do this young man's first here. That emailed me, because I'm gonna. Well, yeah, yes. There's you're not supposed to, if you're married, you wouldn't do both single. You're not supposed to anyways. But yeah, there's 5 filing statuses. I'll show you. I'll show you the 5 filing statuses right here. Oh, that's what's up, Cargo Ray. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, if I really help you out, leave a super chat. That'd be great. just messing around, kind of. Telling for friend. Let's see. So there's 5 different filing statuses. There's single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widower. Qualifying widower is super, super, super rare. Single if it's just you. Single is if it's just you by yourself, no dependents or anything. Married filing jointly if you are married to somebody. Married filing separately if you're married but don't want to file with that person. And then head of household would be considered unmarried and has a dependent. So there's 5 filing statuses, usually 4. Hey, what's up, Jeremy? Married filing separately is not recommended. That's the most disadvantageous filing status there is. God, this is fun. Thanks for that question, though. So let me go over this young man's. Now, going on the fly here, I can't have everything, and this isn't all encompassing. You know, it's just. But for a super simple one like this, it will be. I know, Neon trying to do some fraud. What's up, Miss Areza? All right. So, let's look here. We have this young man's W-2 here. $11,418 in box 1. Wages, tips, and other compensation. $11,418. So that's going to go on. Let's see here. All right, that's going to go on. This is the second page of the 1040. The first page is just informational stuff. Filing status, name, dependent, social security number. Now this is where you actually put your numbers on it. I actually like the new layout, but anyways. So look at that. Number 1, wages, salaries, tips, etc. Attached form W-2. Oh, Cargo Ray, good luck on that, man. Good luck on that. Okay. Oh, I can just fold this over. Hey, I'm getting smart now. Maybe that's why they call it a postcard, because you can just fold it over. I don't know. The new one they call it a postcard. So look, box 1 there, 11,418. $11,418. Now that's the person's only income. And he was single. So you go, adjusted gross income. We didn't have any adjustments. They used to be called above the line adjustments. I don't know what they're really called anymore, but they really don't happen too much. So 11,418. Now, mind you, this is only the third. I filled out two 1040 so far in this tax season. This young tax season, young. So, anyways, and let's see what's. Oh, that was add all the lines together. We didn't have any other income. We didn't have anything else. We just had the W-2. Now, if you had 2 W-2s, you'd add them all together. But this young man had 1 W-2. Or a young lady now, to come to think of it. So I'm not sure. Anyways. And so that's our total income, 11,418. We didn't have any adjustments. So 11,418 is our adjusted gross income, our AGI. Now, standard deduction. Now we have our deduction for what filing status you are. You figure out what filing status you are, and if you're single or married filing jointly, you're going to get 12,000 deduction. And there's the other MFJ, married filing jointly, 24,000, and had a household 18,000. But we're single, so 12,000. That's why I knew looking. So, anyways, our standard deduction is $12,000. So that's how I knew, with just looking at the young man's W-2 for 2 seconds, that he would get all of his federal withholdings back. And now this is number 9, qualified business income. This is saving my clients some money. I did some mock tax returns, and it's saving it's 20% of your pass-through or self-employed income. It could be 20%. So if you made $10,000 from your business in profit, you would get $2,000 off of that. But that's something else, anyways. So if you made $11,418 and you have $12,000 in deduction, standard deduction, that leaves you with, look, subtract line 8 from 9. Oh, 8 and 9 from 7. This is a new form, sorry guys. While we're going live, you gotta have some cojones because you're gonna mess up here. So subtract 8 and 9 from 7, so 12,000, 11,000. Your deduction's more, so you can't go under like this. This doesn't. If 0 or less, enter 0. It won't go negative because they won't pay you back. Don't be messing up. I know I'm messing up all over the place, but I know the final answer though. Is that your final? Yes, I know the final. So if your income's $11,418 and your deductions are more than your income, you're going to have 0 taxable income. So the tax rate on 0, is 0. Because usually your tax rate would be like 10% or whatever. Other taxes, no taxes. So you're not going to owe the government any taxes because your deduction is more than your income. Not going to owe any taxes. Now, let's go to the fun part now. Let's go to line 16 here. Where's my pen? Federal income tax withheld from forms W-2 and 1099. That's 16. Okay, that's 16. So let's see here. What did he have? What did he have over here? Box 2. Where is it? Federal income tax withheld, $893. So let's see, $893. Now, so look, basically this is what I always do with my clients, kind of to help them figure it out a little bit. You have $11,418 of income. We figured out your deductions. You have 0 taxable income. So out of your taxable income, you owe 0 tax. So we figured everything out, and you owe the government 0. You're like, okay, that's cool. I don't owe you anything. But what about the $893 that I gave you from every single paycheck? I'm like, okay, well, you get all that back then. So $893 refund. So yes, I would definitely file. Give the man a break. I don't care. What's up, Nathan? So I definitely file. Now, I told this young, I said, yeah, you should definitely file. And I would, since he made under a certain amount, you can go on the IRS website and do like a free file, what I suggested him to do, and they said, hey, it's too confusing for me. I don't know what to do. At that point, if you try to do a free file online and it's too confusing, I don't know, maybe go to TurboTax and do that. I don't know how much they do their basic returns for. Maybe free. You could take it to, a professional tax preparer. Now, unfortunately, I'm not I can just speak for me. I charge $100 to do tax returns because I don't do the volume of smaller returns, and I don't do that many returns, so the software costs me money. So you can take it to a professional tax preparer. Uh, you know, if you're in this situation, you missed my introduction. Yo, yo, yo! CPA strength here, strongest CPA in the game. If this is your TurboTax is free. Yeah, I would go to TurboTax, and that's what I would do because it's free here. Me too. What, Jeremy? You too? You missed the introduction? How different is estate filing? Well, all the different states are a little bit different, and in Florida we don't do estate filing. I think there's like 5 or 6 other states that don't do estate filings, and so I don't even want to get into that, because they're all different. But I'm pretty sure on this certain W-2 this person would get a lot of his state filing back as well, the state tax withheld. So this person get $1,350 back, and he made 11,000. So oh, sorry about that. We are going to. Well, let's go. Hello, this is Jonathan. Thought it might be some money. I ain't trying to pass up no money right now. I ain't trying to pass up nothing. Yeah, state refunds are common as well. I just don't do a lot of states because I'm in Florida. Most of my clients are in Florida. If anybody wants me to do the return, email me, door954@gmail.com. Gotta get them chippers, Nathan. That's right. You've been watching for a while, I know. So let me get this point across, that for someone who said, do I have to file? No, you don't have to file, but it would definitely be advantageous to do it, because you made $11,500 all year, so you're making $1,000 a month, and now I'm talking about you're gonna get $1,400 back in your refund. So yeah, you've got to do it. That's a month. Oh, I know. Don't leave money on the table. Trillions go unclaimed. That's what's up, All Pro. Good to see you in here. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying, and that's why I felt like I had to make this video. I've made a video like this before, but years ago. And do I have to file? Well, no, you don't have to file, and this person might not have filed, and now he's finding it a little confusing. So yeah, definitely leave your money on the table. But if you find it confusing, and you try to do it online and you're confused, or you don't know if you're doing it online right, or you just don't want to do it, I would go to a tax preparation place. I would say go to H&R Block, Liberty Tax. You want to see the full page? Well, that is the full page now. I just folded it in half. This is the full page. It's actually in 2 pages. So yeah, they really changed the 1040 around this year. And so I would take it to H&R Block. They might do this for free still. They might not. Oh, that's a great point. All Pro. Thank you very much. That's actually where I got my start from. I went to a VITA program, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. I think there's over 6,000 places that they do free returns for, and they would love to do your return for free. And it's people helping out. And oh man, I should have done that this year, because I really enjoyed doing the VITA program, because people were So happy. And low income, I think you can make 50,000 or less. So basically get this done, whether you can do it for free or that's intimidating, or you don't, or you could take it to some a big block tax preparation store and they'll do it for $40 or maybe free they'll do it, or you could take it to a CPA and they do it for 100. Like you just can't leave that money on the table. Diamond, are you still in here, Diamond? What was it? Oh yeah, neon diamonds, yeah. So it's you and your wife, and you were thinking you're gonna do them separately. You don't want to do them separately. Huh. This didn't work out. This is not working out that great. Yeah, that didn't work out that great. I'll just print another one out maybe. Yeah, I'll just print another one out. Huh. What up? Hey. Oh, hey, it's me. So yeah, I'll just print another one of those out here and we'll do it. Yo, yo, yo. Let's see, what is that called? A 1040? Oh, that's a 1040, sir. 1040 Form 2018. Oh, Simply. Hey, what's up? Hey, girl. That was one of my favorites. Simply, one of my favorites. Yeah, we're doing some taxes. Gotta show you my worth, Simply. Just excited, yeah. Gotta show Simply my worth. How are you doing today? How you doing today? Simply? Let me print out another 1040 here. And we're gonna do another one here. Print page 2. Print page 2. All right. Yeah, I don't see no other CPAs doing. There's my look. There's my lichens up there. My license. How many others? Man, I was feeling like I was tired and stuff. I love doing these. So, what other CPAs would do this? Yeah, I don't see any other ones doing this. Let's see. Anthony Martinez says, "Hey CPA, appreciate your videos and your commitment to your channel." Thank you. Yeah, I slack and I always come back to it because, like, sometimes I'm like, there's got to be more to life, and just I really just enjoy like right now I'm having fun helping people and talking and chatting with all these different people, and it's just fun. So, my wife and I got married last year in April, but don't know if we are supposed to file together this year or not. Great question. So if you're married in any day of the year, you file as married. That's the rule. If you divorce in any day of the year, you're divorced in that year. So you're saying in 2018, April 2018, you got married. So on your 2018 tax return, you file married filing jointly, and that's the best filing status. IRS likes married families. They like married filing jointly, so you're going to pay the lowest tax. If you got married on December 31st, 2018, you would file married for 2018. If you get married in any day of the calendar year of the year you're filing for, You filed married. Great question, though. Great question. I'm taking intro to accounting. I love it. Awesome, Ayo. Hey, yo. Hey, man, weren't you were like in them hip hop them rap videos, huh? I haven't really been listening to much music lately, but I'm sure I'll be back to it. It's just kind of hard. I'm not really living that life right now. Um, Married but filing separately. No, you don't want. Why? You're not living together? You don't want to file with her taxes, or what? Why would you want to file separately? Why would you want to file separately, Bo? Sorry about that. Oh, what fun. What fun. We're doing taxes over here. Hey, that's a pretty good. You can see all my. Let's do this. So you can see my license. Kicking back a little bit. Um, Simply, I know you here. Hey, that's awesome. That's one of my biggest supporters. I don't know how I got so lucky. Um, I don't know. Some people just see things in me that I don't see in myself. So, what a blessing, right? Um, how about filing business excise tax? That's a whole different can of worms. I just say in Florida you file a tax a sales tax return, and so that's a whole different can of worms. But your CPA from the state is titled wrong. Why? Oh, it should say best damn CPA. It just says my name. I can't believe I got CPA though. So DC Adler gang, what up, what up, what up? Hey, I got 20 in the chat. Can I get a like? Can I get a like from some people? I was about not to even do this. Can I get a like? Can I get some likes? It really does help the video get out. We got some funny. Do I need an accounting degree to get a CPA license? Yes. Yes, you do. CPA license is hard to get. Believe it or not, I got one, but I really worked my butt off for it. You need you need almost a master's degree. You need 150 credits, and you got to pass the test. But yes, you have to have an accounting. Well, you know what? You don't have to have an accounting degree, but you have to have a certain amount of accounting and business classes in 150 credits total. So I'm not sure if you need an accounting degree, but you need so many accounting classes in your credits to take the exam that I think you would have enough to get an accounting degree. So why not, right? Mm. Can I claim my side chick as a dependent? Yeah, get her social. Honestly, I know that might be a joke, but I would look up in the IRS, look up rules, or it's different. If you can claim people as dependent that you take care of if they live with you, like that you're unrelated to. If they live with you and you take care of them. Um, I I'm not sure if you can be head of household for just like a girlfriend or a bum friend who lives on your couch. Uh, but anyways, I would definitely tell your situation, but you need to get their social, so it's kind of hard. You're like, hey, side chick, I need to get my social. They really changed a bunch of stuff around this year, because they don't have personal exemptions anymore. You know how like it's like, hey, look, are you claiming the kid? Who's claiming this kid? Who's claiming this kid? Because that was worth $4,000 deduction. Although they doubled the credit, but can you claim a side chick? You can't. You need their social first of all, and if you take care of them, it is possible. So, we having fun yet, everybody? I'm kind of having some fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. If anybody gives, if anybody wants to super chat, I will answer your question right away. All these questions I have. Oh my goodness. Damn, we're down to 12. That's all right. I just went kind of rogue on this here, and yeah. Look at my mic. I got my mic. I'm mic'd up. He's mic'd up. He's mic'd up. Hey, you're welcome. Oh, thanks, Simply. I'm glad to hear you're doing good. Thanks. I'm glad I'm doing a good job. Is it not ethical to claim other people's babies as my own and claim them in my filing? No, I don't think that's legal. I mean, to claim them in your filing, you would say you have to take care of them. I mean, if you take care of them monetarily, then it could possibly work out in your favor. Like that would be ethical then, but not just like if you don't pay for them monetarily and they don't live with you at all, then no, that's fraud, and you're not supposed to. I know you're just kidding, but hey, I mean, people ask. I was so excited to see and forget to post a like. You didn't remember now? Did you remember now? I don't know how many likes are there. I like myself. Do you believe I got 84,000 subscribers? I know if All Pro's still here, you've been watching forever, probably since I had like 10,000 or something. I'm actually gonna hit 100,000 subscribers someday. I knew a dude who worked at the IRS. Oh, story time? Sure. Telling for friend. Telling for friend Neon Diamonds. I knew a dude who worked at the IRS and he dealt with that a lot. Other babies being brought in and trying to be claimed as dependents. Yeah. Miss Reza, why are you guys retracting messages? Why are you retracting messages? Did I do that or did you guys do that? I don't retract no messages, so did my program do that or did you guys decide you didn't want to write those? Let's see. Got an AA and BBA in accounting, and no one in school explains it as simply or as passionately as you. Keep up the good work you demand. Any thoughts on doing an intermediate series? Yes, although, what would be intermediate? I know what you're saying, and yes, I do have thoughts on that. Maybe after this tax season. I don't have a lot of time during tax season because I'm doing taxes, although I'm not super duper busy because I kind of played myself because because I had a big client that I no longer have, and for the past 2 years I was saying, no, I'm not taking new people, I have enough. So now it's like, now all of a sudden I'm like, no, I want more clients. Anyways, I thought about doing an intermediate series possibly after. Can I put my printer on my taxes? And you're acting like that's a joke. Now look, if you are itemizing, you possibly could. I don't know, there's a bunch of new rules, but if you're itemizing, there's possibly a place for that. Definitely if you're running your own business, and you have a Schedule C on your tax return, business income, then you use your printer in your business, that is definitely deductible. She asked how to like the video. Are you trolling, Nathan? Why did that get retracted? You just hit like. Can anybody like it? Oh, you bought it. You bought it for school. Um. Okay. Thank you, dude. This is why we're doing. This is a lot of fun, actually. I'm glad to be doing these. You, Miss Miss Aza, you should be filing a tax return as well, because you might get or maybe your parents, if they're paying for your school, if you're going to be on their tax return. But anyways, you might get a school credit. It can be up to $2,500. The American Opportunity Credit, and there's also two other credits, school credits. But yeah, books and supplies and stuff could be added into the cost of your outgoing monies and can be figured out into your credit. So definitely, thank you, because I forgot all about that. If you bought supplies for school, so I can't think of everything. So thanks for everybody being here. This is a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun. This is the best time I had all day. This might be the best time I've had. I don't know, in a while. Seriously, it's kind of sad, but let's see. Could you make a whole year's income just doing returns from January to April? I guess some could. I'm not really set up like that. I'm gonna make a little. For me, I'm gonna make a little bit extra money though. And I guess some tax preparers do, if they do hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. I don't really have like. Not really set up for that. It's just me. But I'm gonna make a little bit extra money. Yeah. Business returns are, luckily I have some business returns, and I can charge some good money for those, and luckily I have some monthly clients, and I'm still here doing my thing. Let's see. We got a nice office here, nice view. And yeah, I'm doing my thing, and right now I'm helping people, and I've actually been tracking my calories and stuff. But so I got food at home, office, somewhat healthy. I'm pretty happy right now, so life's good. Could you add a video to explain the income tax vocabularies and new tax extenders? Yeah, you know what I have? I've done. You could check maybe my income tax tips playlist. You go to my main page and check out my income tax tips playlist. I have I think I have like 15 or 16 videos about the different terminologies and stuff like that. And what do you mean for extenders? The different schedules? They made the tax return a lot smaller. And I said click the thumbs up, but once she deleted her comment, mine looked redundant. Oh, so you deleted your own. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you deleted your own, because I want to delete no comments. I had this like, what, Nightbot I had when I was doing a bunch of bunch of lives over the summer. I had Nightbot and he was like deleting everybody's comments. I'm like, no, I don't get that many comments. No, Nightbot. I just wanted Nightbot to tell people they could leave a super chat or something. Like, come on. Oh, jeez. Can you make good money filing people's tax returns? I guess good's all relative, but yeah, you can. I mean, yeah, you can. It's, I mean, uh, business. I guess a business return, you could charge, I don't know, $400 to $900 or something for a business return. Personal return, maybe 100 to 300. It's all what you can get from somebody, and I guess your outgoing expenses. I don't do that many tax returns, so I have my tax software costs per return, and I don't know. I'm kind of on the cusp. I need to maybe change tax software to get a lower price, or just buy an unlimited. But then I'll be kind of worried if I don't do tax returns. But can you make good money? Yeah. I mean, people don't see it when I'm like, hey, it's $600 for tax returns. Like, oh, it probably took you an hour or two, but it's like all the schooling, all the software. But I tell you what, I I was our water broke at my house last week, and I was digging a hole, and I like romanticize, manual labor. I used to do that, and I'm like, oh, it's so nice, you don't have to think, and you work, and it's done, and the job's done, and you can see what you did, and I dug a trench for like 2 hours, and I was like, I mean, this is all right, but grass is always greener. But I like doing the taxes. Lifetime learning credit, yes, it's American Opportunity Credits. The could be up to $2,500, and lifetime learning credit I think goes up to $2,000. And then there's another one too. I'm not sure what that one's called. It's just it's on the. It used to be above the page deduction, but I'm not sure where it is. Are you looking for more clients to do their taxes? Am I looking for them? I'm kind of getting the word out. I'm gonna start doing some social medias and this and that. I've been decently busy right now, and so I'm not like running around trying to get all these crazy people. Am I actively looking? I mean, I'm not doing really any marketing per se right now. I'm going to kind of see how things shape up. And, but yeah, I am looking for new clients. If I could make 60K as a solo CPA, I'd take it. I think the freedom of being self-employed is worth it. Yeah, I mean, grass is always greener. I think I was with my YouTube channel, and well, no, I think I was up to about 50K before. Let's see. Let me go. Let's go. We're gonna. Oh, I printed out. That's how that started. All this. It's nice out today. Now we're gonna go. We're gonna go back to. We're gonna fill out another. All right. Enough of my ugly mug here. Thanks for everyone being here. We got 15. Balance sheeting. That was funny. All right, enough of my ugly mug. Well, let's turn this around here. Turn it around. Turn it all around. Now I have to go we'll have to go way back. Back in time. So I got another W-2. Now, no one's given us super chat, so I don't know so no one has precedence. So we'll just go to the last question asked here. Let's see, what am I looking for? Pencil. Where did the pencil I have go? Oh, lordy. Seriously. Oh, there it is. I need more pencils, right? Man, so that was way up top, huh? Okay. Well, I didn't have as many comments as I thought. Okay. We got Neon Diamonds Aquaberry. Neon Diamonds. Hey, you know Jody High Roller? Was he the Neon Dream or whatever? See, Neon Diamonds Aquaberry. What's Aquaberry, anyways? But anyways, he said, so for my wife, it may be better if we file separately. No, it's not. My taxable gross is $38,000, and hers is less than 12. So let's say they made $50,000 during the year. All right, $50,000. They made $50,000 income. And I think he said, 13,000 federal withholdings. Is that from both? Is that for both of you? Hold on, I got an email. Oh yeah, Simple, you're smart. I know. No, I figured that's what you were doing. You're so smart. So smart. 13,000. I don't know if Neon Diamonds is in here. That's 13,000 federal withholdings for both of you. I can say you're probably going to do pretty good. So look, if that's the case, and it's him and his wife, so we're going to do married, filing jointly. I don't think any dependents, any kids or anything. You know, that's just a basic. Now, there's always more stuff. You know, if I was doing someone's tax return, I'd ask a lot more questions and this and that. You know, their age matters and stuff like that. But, anyways, you put 50,000 income right here in box one. That'd be your wages. 50,000. No adjustments. We're gonna go down to line 7, 50,000. That's your adjusted gross income. There's no adjustments. Adjustments are pretty rare. Now, for your standard or itemized, I mean, also you might itemize. You know, you have a wife. You guys made 50,000. You might own a house. Usually you have to own a house to itemize, and it would be because mortgage interest and real estate taxes are itemizable, and then you can add on other things like charitable deductions. But let's just say you're not itemized. Let's say you don't own a house, pay mortgage interest, married filing jointly, 24,000. That's going to be your standard deduction. They doubled it, 24,000. It means your taxable income is going to be 30. Oh, your boy can add. $36,000 is going to be your taxable income. Now we've got to look. I got to look up. I'm going to look on. Let's see. We'll look it up together here. Let me find a form. We'll go to the IRS together. Hold on 1 second here. Alrighty. Yeah, we're going to the IRS website together here. Oh, Oh, yeah. Okay. This is just irs.gov. I mean, this is straight from the horse's mouth. I always recommend coming here. So, yeah. And where are we going to go? What are we going to do? Tax table. Let's look at tax table. I don't even know if they have the Pub 17 anymore. So I just type in tax tables. There's a tax table. Alright, tax table. Now, they're married filing jointly. And so, see that? Married filing jointly is going to be the second one. The second one over right there. So it's going to be down this line right here. If taxable income is at least in between here. So what was our taxable income? Our taxable income for this is $36,000. $50,000 of income minus $24,000 standard deduction leaves us $36,000 taxable income. Let's go. Let's go to 36,000. Where's 36,000? 36,000 right here. And what was it? The second row here. So married filing jointly, 36,000. You would pay $39.42. $39.42. That would be how much you owe in tax. $39.42. $39.42. Okay, and now let's just look. I also want you guys to see if you made that much money, 36,000. If you were single, you'd owe $41.33. If you're married filing jointly, you owe a couple $100 less. Now this is married filing separately is you'd owe $41.33, but you wouldn't want to do, that's not the same really as single because you wouldn't get a lot of credits. And head of household, you pay $4,501. So on the same amount of income, you pay less taxes for married filing jointly, the least amount, and then head of household, then single. So, yeah. Are we having fun yet? Aqua Diamonds. $39.42. So what's that? If that was 4,000. I'm sorry, $39.42. And you said you had federal withholdings of about 13K. That's kind of a lot of federal withholdings for 50,000, but I guess not. I mean, so what would that be? Let me get my calculator up because I don't know how to count anymore, guys. 13,000 minus 39.42 equals 9,058. You're looking at a refund of $9,058 if those were true. Now, would you want to now here's the thing. For this year, that's for 2018. Now that means you really only owed the government $3,900. All right, and you prepaid them $13K through the year, so that's a lot. That's like $260 a week that you gave them. Is that how it is? Let's see. 200 and hold on. 13,000 divided by 52, 250. That's exactly 250 a week. So you gave them 250 a week. You only owed them 39.42 divided by 52, 75. You only owed them 75 a week, but you were giving them 250. So what's that? You overpaid 175 every week. Now, yes, you get this nice juicy $9,000 check at the end of the year. But now there's a couple things. Basically, you've let the IRS hold your money all year. You got no interest on that. You could have put that in a bank or in a retirement account, or you could have made some other investments with it, and you could have been gaining some interest on that money. Another thing is, now you're kind of at the mercy at the IRS, and you're salivating with that $9,000, and then what if they say, hey, someone already filed for you, or like fraudulent return, or we got questions about your refund, we're not going to give it to you right away. So I always like to have about it. I'd rather see you take more, change your W-4 to a higher number, more exemptions, and they're going to take less out of every paycheck. And then you're going to have less federal withholdings at the end of the year, and you're going to get a smaller refund, but you're going to have more money every week. So that was fun, right? Alrighty then. And yeah. Let's see. Anybody still here? We're still having fun. We having fun. We having so much fun. What else is going on? Any other tax questions or questions? Let's see. So I kind of did two tax returns there. So Neon Diamonds. Who's your boy? Welcome. Reading through my comments. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the likes. I greatly appreciate them all. Like I said before, this is probably the most fun I had in maybe a while, like months. Just because I guess this is my thing. Helping people on taxes. I had no idea what I was going to do. The year was 2012, so about 7 years ago. I had no idea what I was going to do, and I volunteered for volunteer income tax assistance. Well, I took a tax class at college, and we did the VITA program, and I actually helped some people do their taxes, and I loved it. And yeah, so I've been just doing this ever since. Mr. Nice, why is the message retracted? You did that yourself? I don't know. I'm sorry. I guess you did it yourself because you don't want the message in there. But just leave all the messages. We don't care. We don't care. We're freaks. We like all the messages. Yeah. Jersey Mark, what up, man? Action packed. That was an action packed. Yeah, it was. I had like 20 people in the room. Now it's down to 11 or whatever. But we're having fun. I mean, as long as we got questions and stuff, I'll keep on doing this for a little bit. I'm getting hungry though. Tell you, Saturday night I was driving home. I felt fat. I weighed myself. I was like 268, and so since Monday, I've been tracking my calories. I'm tracking my calories now religiously, and I'm down to 262 pounds, and feeling better every day. 26K. Okay, Daniel, what's up? What? Damn, Daniel. Buy stocks, right? Line 11 should be 2742. Not 3942? For reals? Let's see. It was 36,000. No, man. No, man. He's married filing. No. No, Mr. Nice, you're not correct. Um, the deductions was 26,000. That's not your taxable income. It's 50,000 minus 26 or 24. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Nice. I messed that all up. And it's live, so we can't go back. I don't know what I was thinking. 36. 26. You are right. You are right. So you're getting way bigger. Mr. Nice, thank you. Oh boy. Really kicked the pooch on that one. Kicked the pooch on that one. Oh lordy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness. 26. 26,000. 2742. Mr. Nice, you did good, buddy. 2742. Okay. So 13,000 minus 2742. $10,000 refund. You're gonna get $10,000 refund on that, Mr. Diamonds. So I don't really know. Are you sure you paid 13,000? 50,000? That doesn't even sound right. Hey, that's the cost of going live and doing this. I mess up. Sorry about that. I guess. Hey, what can you say? What can you say? Messed up. Very. Thank you very much, Mr. Nice. Thank you very much. Wow, that was a pretty big. That was a pretty bad error. I was just kind of flustered on that one, but whatever. Very fun. You demand. You demand. Damn, Daniel. Heavenly bound. You think it's better to do your taxes through Turbo or just print forms and work through it yourself? No, I would definitely do. I think definitely doing Turbo, even if you have to pay $30 for Turbo instead of free. Definitely going through a program is better because just how I just made that stupid subtracting error. You know, you can make that error yourself. Whereas if you put it in a program, they're going to do the calculation. They're going to do the calculations for you. So I would definitely do it. And there might be, they're going to ask questions like, they're going to ask a lot of questions that aren't going to matter. Like, did you drive a vehicle? Did you do? They're going to ask all the questions, and because they're trying to see, if they can get some deductions for you. And I'll just, whereas if you're just doing it on paper, you're not going to have all the deductions for yourself. So You start your first tax class tomorrow? Cool. Show them this video. You're gonna do great. You're gonna do great. You're gonna do great, Daniel. Um, Here's what do I remember from my first tax class. Deductions are good. Credits are better. You can always remember that. Deductions are good. Credits are better. That's for personal income tax. What kind of tax class are you taking tomorrow? Or the Catalina wine mixer, Jersey Mark. Or you say out there, yeah, we got boats and hills out there, yeah. Where did you get your master's? I didn't get a master's. Uh, I got my bachelor's from Florida Atlantic University, FAU, and I didn't get my master's. I didn't go to graduate school. I got the credits I needed before I applied for graduation. So I got 150 credits. Ooh, go get some Chipotle, some Toodles. No, I'm gonna have some. What am I gonna have? I'm gonna have some chicken, baked potato. I've been tracking everything. So yes, good job, Mr. Nice. I am human after all. Exactly. Yes, I am human. No, I'm definitely human. I messed up a lot simply. Show must go on. You've been working out ever since your push-up videos, Daniel? Dude, that's awesome, bro. What are you, so that was like, September, October. So you've been working out October, November, December, January. You've been working out for 4 months? Probably looking pretty juicy. Appreciate that, Brody. You're welcome. Brody. Taking personal tax class personal tax class, then next semester is corporate. Okay, so for personal, yeah, definitely remember deductions are okay, our deductions are good, credits are better. Because a deduction you usually pay a percentage of tax, and credits a dollar for dollar thing. Just remember, deductions good, credits way better. Um, then you kind of, you can break down. You can break down a tax return very well. They made the new tax returns freaking 22 lines now, but you can break it down to where add up all your income minus your deductions. So it's income minus deductions, percentage of that. That's your taxable income. Income minus deductions, taxable income. The tax you owe, and then credits or other taxes and credits. So you can break it down pretty easy. Good luck in your class. Late. You're leaving Jersey Mark? Laters? Late. 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 Later. Mukbang. Nathan, you want me to do a mukbang? I know, you've been asking a mukbang. I've been thinking about that. Probably not tonight because I feel like I've been talking a lot and went live. Been going for what, 74 minutes? Let's see. Oh, you know what? Um, someone, 3 different people bought items from my store, and I don't know who they are, or else I don't know, maybe it might be one of the 15 people in the room right now watching, or if you're watching later, because if you're one of the 3 people who purchased an item from my Teespring store, you're definitely a huge fan, and that's crazy, because, like, so, let's see, if you're one of those 3 people, you might be watching right now in the live, or you might be watching on the replay later, because you're probably a big fan. And if if you bought some merch from me, I appreciate it. I thank you. It just kind of invigorates me to make some more videos. Mukbang though, mukbang's coming. You know, I just started. No one wants to see me eat baked potato and chicken. So I was thinking maybe, you know, and I've been eating like trash for the past 3 years. Not 3 years. I started dieting about 5.5 years ago. For the first 2 3 years, I went so precise, and I lost 35 pounds. Um, the past year and a half, I haven't really been watching my calories. You know, I did the summer of mukbangs, and really the last 5 months, I've just been off my game. Stress eating a little bit, eating whatever I wanted. And it kind of started catching up to me. So I don't feel like doing a mukbang quite yet. Maybe let's see. This is my first week. Maybe after 3 more weeks of dieting, I'll do like a. Maybe I'll do like a. You know what I'll do? Like a three. Like what would be awesome? Do like a 3 day fast, and then just like pig out, gorge. That's your tax tip. A 24-hour stream like the kids do these days. Yeah, right. Do the kids? Oh, the live streaming. Yeah, the live streamers. I know. I love the live streamers like Ice Poseidon and SJC Scuff Jim Carrey. Oh, I like Burger Planet. All of them. Yeah, I like that. I. You know, the thing is, you need. My life is not that interesting right now. You don't want to see me sitting on the computer doing work, and then you know my clients wouldn't like that. But 24-hour live stream. You know, it's like I would want to do that and get out and about. I was thinking about that. We could do something like that. Not 24 hours, but I could go somewhere and do a stream. Aldi T, like your videos. Thank you. Appreciate that. I really do. Love you from Egypt. Keep up the good work. Ah, Khalid. Yeah, do what's best for me. I feel you. What is the best for me? I don't really know at this point. I think I know the best for me at this point is staying busy. Um, Making myself get up in the morning, making myself go to the gym, making myself meal prep on Sundays, and making myself track my calories, and making myself stay busy and work, and making myself be better. I've been just too lazy lately, and it's not gonna get me anywhere. But I'm just making myself do stuff. What's up, Daniel? Take it easy too, bro. I'm glad I could inspire you to start working out, and hope you have a good time in your tax classes. That's awesome. Glad for you, bro. Can you hire me? How am I supposed to take care of someone else if I can't even take care of myself? Um, can you bring some clients aboard? Can you get some clients? Yeah, I'll hire you then. Sure, I'll hire you. You don't cost much, do you? Hola, amigo. Oh, we have Espanol in the house. Oh, a salad challenge. That's a good idea. Uh, no one wants to watch it. I can do like the biggest salad in the world. What's up, sis? Growing up Fraser in his house. That's my sister. Oh, Emily, you're all over this. You're all over this room here. There you are, right there. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Last time I seen you at your wedding. I believe that's Willamette, right? And look, you guys are all over here too. Look at that. The three boys and Santa and Brent. So yeah, you guys are all over the place. Oh, what else going on out there? Oh, boats. Look at them boats. Oh yeah. Oh, and how? Little downtown. There's downtown. I can see it, so I basically say I am downtown. There's a little marina there. El Beachy's just over there. Oh, cancel that. Cancel that. Sorry, guys. What a mess. Flip that back. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it good. Flip it. Flip it good. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I showed my sister. I got pictures of her and her family all over the place here. Oh. Oh man, maybe I need to get out to Oregon. I need to get out to Oregon to see them. Top video is very educational. Thank you, Droid. Thank you, Droid Cruz. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. I'll work for the experience. Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live, Miss Reza? I'm just kind of joking around. I don't think I can. I don't know what kind of. Well, hey, where do you live? Email me dorn954@gmail.com. Oh, who I got in the Super Bowl? The Patriots, man. I mean, not like I like them, but I just don't see them losing. I guess they've lost in some Super Bowls before, but who do you have? Who do you think in the Super Bowl? I got Patriots. How many pounds of greens can CPA eat at once? A lot. I should go on like a 3-day fast or something. Yes, you are all over my wall. What are my thoughts on cryptocurrencies? I think they're very volatile. Didn't they go down a lot? I think they're too risky. I think you're better off investing in something else. I just think it's too risky. I don't really understand them that much. Like, I did listen to like a couple Joe Rogans on them. What do you think about cryptocurrencies, Aldi? Um, Difference in accounting. Basic accounting, I believe, is the same all over the world. It's night here. Pats. Risky, as you say, yeah. You like Pats all day? Alright, I know, stocks are risky too, I know. So I don't know what you invest in. I think probably real estate. If you could save up enough to get some real estate, that'd probably be a really good investment. You can't. No, you can't bet against. You can't bet against Brady. You can't do that. You can't do it, bro. Anyways, I'm getting a little tired. I've been going for an hour and a half here, and this is a lot. This is a lot of fun. I'll have to do this again. I want to say thank you for everyone being in here. I appreciate everyone being in here, and until next time, what can I say?